Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a little Hermes baby, and this is a baby Featherweight. And it is one of the first babies, I think. It doesn't have the top ribbon covers or anything, and it took me a while to get this thing out of the case, but I do have it out of the case finally, and the bottom section off, which was challenging because I guess I'd never done one before and I couldn't figure it out for a little bit. But this has a pretty serious problem that it had to come out of the case for. The keys are sticking bad. Every one of these sticks up, and if it comes back it's slow, or it's just completely locked. I mean, really, this is about as bad as they get. So, I'm pretty sure the segment was dirty down here, like most of these. That's where the problem is. But that was not the case with this one. And you can tell because when I bring one of these letters up like this, if you look real closely, and this theory of troubleshooting applies to all typewriters, so you think this bar is sticking, but it's not. If you look at it real close, it's moving free. See right there? That's freely moving within the pivot. So that is not the pivot that's sticking right there. It must be a different pivot point. That is free. So flushing this out is going to do nothing. So what I'm going to go to is this back pivot point right back here, and it's beneath this basket rest here, which I have most of the screws off already. And take this last one off so we can get to it. These were pretty big screws here. I was worried that this whole assembly was going to come apart, but so I got that apart. So I think, and this is as far as I went as far as troubleshooting off camera, so I think it's this pivot point right here, back here, that's sticking. Because if you wiggle the U key here, so we're just doing that one, it's free in here in the comb area. Seems pretty free, so I don't think it's binding right there. So the last place it can be binding is this pivot point right here, I think. And it's got like dual pivot points on this, so it's got a pivot point up here and a pivot point down here. It's got two parts. So let's see if that's the case, and I'm going to do a little trial and error and see if this works. So first thing I'm going to do is cover up my keyboard here, because I'm going to be using the lacquer thinner and I don't want it to splash down in here at all. So let's cover that up real quick here, like that. Okay, so let's find one over here on the side that I can tinker with. And let's find one that's gummed up pretty good. Okay, looks like this one is sticking pretty good. So that's the letter A. No, letter S. So, and the same thing, it's free here at the type bar. So I'm gonna put some lacquer thinner right here on this pivot point and see if it frees up. Right here, all along that pivot point. Let's see if it frees up. It does look like that was it. Now it's dropping back down in there. Put a little bit more on here. Work this a little bit. Well, it looks like it's sticking up here a little bit too. No, it's already gotten better. So that's it right there. It is going to be these all these pivot points right here. So that should do it. Let's find an S here. Still sticking a little. I'm going to spray some of my neutral cleaner in there. And segment there. Okay, that's it. So that's going to be the process here. I've got to flush all these out here. And all the pivot points. Turns out you can see in here there's a pivot within the pivot. There's three pivot points in here, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to have to flush all those out and get this thing to work again, because it's just sticking. Every one of these is sticking like crazy. And look at that, they're just all sticking. This is going to be a pretty good process here. In fact, I'm going to probably have to call the customer and tell them that this is going to take a lot more than just normal procedure to clean. But the machine overall looks great, so this is a pretty good candidate to get back alive again. So it's a pretty good condition. Somehow it just got all corroded like that. Corroded or sticky, I'm not sure. It almost seems like this is a chemical reaction, because it's got this white oxidation type stuff going on. So, well, that's it. That's my quick video of this Hermes baby Featherweight and what it's going to take to fix it. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.